Good afternoon, everybody. Today is the first unit of chemistry is solid state. The introduction of solid state is, as we know that we are surrounded by many things. Among them are solid, liquid, or gases. These states commonly known as matter. Among the solid, liquid and gases, solids are more common. Hence, we have to learn about the structure and many other physical properties like conductivity, magnetic nature, insulator, etc. in this chapter. As we know that solids property depends on the nature of constituent particle and bonding between them, as well as how do they arrange inside the solids. Constituent particle of solid may be molecule, ions and atoms. Most important characteristic of matter states are fluidity and rigidity. We have to notice in these 2 points what is fluidity. As we know that gas and liquid have tendency to flow because they held by weak forces, hence they shows fluidity. They have tendency to flow, by this they shows fluidity. In the case of solid, their constituent particles are closely packed. It means these particles can oscillate around their main position. They cannot change their position. By this property, solid shows fixed shape and size and volume. By this property, solid are rigid nature and shows rigidity. Now we come to the first topic of the solid, classification of solid. What is classification of solid? As we know that solid is made up of different kind of particles. On the basis of their arrangement order, they are classified in 2 groups. First one is amorphous solids and second one is crystalline solid. What is amorphous solid? Amorphous means false solids, ऐसे solids जिनमें constituent particle का arrangement regular order में ना हो. It means constituent particle arranged in disorder arrangement are called amorphous solid. For example, if the constituent particle A, then again A, then B, then C, like this order, we are found that these arrangement are not regular. It means A के बाद B आ गया, B के बाद C आ गया, C के बाद 2 B ही आ गए, यानी कि इसका कोई रेगुलर अरेंजमेंट नहीं है. तो ऐसे अरेंजमेंट के सॉलिड को हम कहते हैं amorphous solid. फॉर एग्जांपल ग्लास, रबर, प्लास्टिक्स. These amorphous solids are short range. Short range means constituent particle repeat a least regular interval of times, यानी कि कम टाइम में इनके पार्टिकल अगेन रिपीट होते दिखाई देते हैं. इसलिए amorphous solids क्या होते हैं? शॉर्ट रेंज सॉलिड्स होते हैं. ड्यू टू irregularities, amorphous solid shows false melting point. It means they have no sharp melting point. इनका अरेंजमेंट फिक्स्ड नहीं होता है, जिसके कारण इनकी मेल्टिंग पॉइंट होता है वो फिक्स नहीं होता है. बिकॉज हेयर ए दीज पार्टिकल हैव डिफरेंट नेचर. तो यहाँ का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट क्या हो सकता है? अलग हो सकता है. यहाँ का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट अलग हो सकता है. तो इनके मेल्टिंग पॉइंट शार्प नहीं होते. दीज आर कॉल्ड आइसोट्रॉपिक इन नेचर. amorphous solid known as isotropic in nature. Why they are called isotropic? Iso means equal, tropic मतलब लेवल. ऑन लेवल में if we going horizontal or vertical, we found that their physical property as electrical resistance and refractive index are same in all direction. all direction में इनके refractive index और इलेक्ट्रिकल रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू सेम आती है, क्योंकि ऑल डायरेक्शन में इरेगुलरिटीज होती है, सेम इरेगुलरिटीज होती है, जिसके कारण इनमें ये प्रॉपर्टीज ऑल डायरेक्शन में सेम होती है. ड्यू टू सेम प्रॉपर्टी दे आर कॉल्ड आइसोट्रॉपिक इन नेचर. नेक्स्ट, द क्लीवेज प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एमॉर्फस सॉलिड. व्हेन एमॉर्फस सॉलिड कट बाय शार्प एज टूल दे गिव अनइवन पीसेस ऑफ क्रिस्टल. एमॉर्फस सॉलिड को क्लीवेज करते हैं, कट करते हैं शार्प एज टूल से, तो ये क्या होते हैं, अनइवन पीसेज में ब्रेक डाउन हो जाते हैं. बट व्हेन वी आर कंसीडर क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड, व्हाट आर क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड? The solid in which constituent particles are arranged in regular order. They have ordered arrangement. Their constituent particles repeat in a regular manner. For here, we find out that there are three particles A, B, C, then again A, B, C. Then this arrangement is called ordered arrangement. For example, NaCl, solid, iodine. This is the example of crystalline solid. Crystalline solids are short range and long range order solids. These solids shows both short range and long range order. What is this? Long range order, when constituent particle is made up of more than 2 or 3 constituent particles, then repeat after a long interval of time, but they are made up of one kind or two kind of constituent particle. They repeat regular interval of time, then this is called short range of order. When they are repeat in long interval of time, then they known as long range order. Due to fixed arrangement, they have fixed melting end point. They are anisotropic nature. Why they are anisotropic in nature? When we go horizontal, we found ABC, ABC. When we move diagonally, we found CC, as here AA constituent particle. It means in all direction they have no fixed properties of electrical resistance or refractive index. Hence, they are called anisotropic in nature. Next is cleavage property. When crystalline solid is cut by sharp edge tool, they give equal geometrical shape crystal. Due to this, it is called crystalline solid. These are the basic difference between amorphous solid and crystalline solid. This is the topic 1 of the solid state. Next topic we will discuss in next video. Thank you.